Maybe someone needs help. Nah, the blue thing's on. Yo, who left it on? Who ordered food? Please tell me this is a prank. Yo, what is that? Yo, what in the world is that? Should I stop? Yo, what is that? Nah, you sure? Nah, the thing's blinking. Yo, but who is this? Yo, dog, who is that? Nah, please tell me this is a prank. Nah. Who left it on? But why is the thing going up and down? But I'm driving to the crib right now, guys. You guys haven't seen that, but who is that? Yo, who is this? Dog, what kind of animal is this, yo? Nah, please tell me this is a prank. Nah, stop this vehicle, yo. Nah, I swear right now. Bruh, it's a dead rat. I'm out looking at that. We should call animal control. Nah, I'm gonna go back to the crib. I'm about to head to the crib right now, yo. It's crazy. We're almost home. I filmed this for our protection. Welcome back to AK Adventures. If you guys haven't seen the last videos that I haven't been posting, it'll be down in the description. We're almost home. And nah, bro, we're almost home. Just turn off the lights in case. Nah, we're almost home, guys. I'm gonna film this right now. If you guys haven't seen me in a few days, you guys are probably wondering what's going on. Hold up. Something's right there. I'm gonna come up the hill and just hope for the best. Cause you know, it's probably just a package. But yo, who is that? You know? If you guys haven't seen me on live, I've been rapping everything. I've been doing good. You feel me? FAL. But I'm gonna cut this off real quick because you know I'm about to go to the house and see what's going on over here. As you can see, I'm walking in the hill with the scooter. I'm about to drive in it. But yo, that's crazy. We have the lights on just in case. Now let's just get home safe. Nah, it's crazy. This can't be happening, yo. Never. But I'll let you know when I get to the house. Cause you know, I'm about to go to the crib, see what's going on over here. Nah, this is wild. This is wild, yo. Nah, this is wild. This gotta be wild. What's up, yo? Nah. Turn off the lights. Just off the lights in case. Yo, I'm about to go to the house right now, yo. I should stop right here. No. Shit. Nah, I'm out of control. Nah, we should slow this down, bro. I'm about to go to the house and see what's going on over here. We're almost home. Nah, this is crazy. You feel me? I've been rapping stuff, but I'm gonna cut this off real quick because you know, guys, I'm about to go to the crib, see what's going on over here. But guys, I don't know if my address leaked or something, but dog, like, who is this? But dog, who is that? But dog, who is this? This definitely isn't a package delivery. You know what? This isn't Amazon. But yo, I don't know my address leaked or something, but dog, like, who is this? But dog, who is that? Whose car is this? I'm about to film this right now, yo. Now, let me just bring this in. Now, let me bring this in. He was? What's up? I film every Saturday, so see the reaction. So I saw like something. I saw like a blue truck. Nah, I saw like a blue a blue thing going up and down, and I thought I think to myself, maybe someone needs help. Like I thought, should I stop? Like, maybe go to the house real quick. I was gonna tell you guys, but there's like a blue thing blinking in the middle. I just saw it when I was driving. When I came back from LA. When I came back from filming the video, and I saw this, and I thought maybe someone needs help, but what should we do about this?
I think they're okay. I think you need to go get a paper towel.
I saw like a white van, and I thought to myself, maybe someone needs help. Like, should I stop? Like, I stopped, and then I thought to myself, what's going on?
You're sweating a lot.
Yeah, it's sweating.
Go get a paper towel and wipe
Yeah.
your face. Good job. It's cool inside.
Bottle. How do you take this inside? We should take this inside. What do you think? Should I take it inside just in case?
Yeah.
I should turn this on just in case, so I can see. But this is crazy. Now I should close that thing. Hey, Mom. Mom. Gotta film this right now. Nah, bro, is that? Nah, bro. Nah, I'd like to scooter up. Yo, Mom. 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 Mom.
Yes?
So, hold up. So, how you doing? How you been? I should put this over here. I put it right here, in case, yeah. Now, when I was driving earlier, I saw like a white van, and I mean with a blue light, and I thought like maybe somebody needs help. Like, should I stop? Like, and I saw like a dead mouse in the middle of the street, a dead rat in the middle of the street, yo, Sarah, yo. And there was someone's lights on, and I thought to myself like, dog, like who is that? But that's crazy.
What?
But I thought to myself, like, dog, like, who is this? Like, that's a van. But I filmed this for Saturday, for like, just in case.
What?
I turned the lights off just in case. I was riding my scooter. I try not to let it fall, but I just hold it while I'm filming. That's what they do.
Anthony.
What?
Where's Wes?
Dad, he's outside.
He's outside.
Yeah. Nah, this is crazy. And I'll go to Cushy Park. No, not yet. Just gotta check out something. I gotta check this out. I gotta film this just in case. I gotta film this in case. Are you filming? Yo, Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it? Hold up. What's up, guys? Yo, who is that? Yo. What's up? But, yo, who is that? Who in the world just followed me? But I'm good. I'm about to go to the park to see what's going on over here, guys. But make sure you guys like it up, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 1 million views, so hip hip hooray. Just walking over here, seeing what's going on at the park. I turned the lights off just in case. So guys, about to be at the park, but we're about to be there. But yeah, let's see what happens. So there's a branch right here, and there's a thing right there. There's a branch tying up to the middle of the stick, and there's a ding hanging all over it, and there's a trace. Yo, whose candy is this? Yo, who left this here? But yeah, look at this park. It's already being built in the middle of the night. It's crazy, you know, bad people. But I think I showed you guys this. And that's just how it is. Let's just go to the house real quick, see what's going on, and just see what's happening over there. I'm gonna go to the house real quick, and I'm definitely gonna check out, you know, like in the other videos. But you see this over here? Gotta walk up to this. I'm about to see what's going on. But yeah. I'm back in.
Awesome job. I give it down time.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Yes, I got it in. Just turn the lights off. Now the living room's dark, but I'll turn this on. But yeah. We can check. We can check to see what's going on over here. Chair. I need chair. There you go. Let's check who it is and who's pranking us. Let's see who it is. Nah, we're about to find out who it is right now. We're about to find out who it is right now. Let's just find out. You guys. Mom, can you guys keep it down? Hold up, guys. They're being loud. Now we gotta check who this person is, guys. We gotta find out who's spying on me and who's back. Nah, just ignore that. Nah, we gotta check this. I should go to my channel, see what's going on. Just type it in. Here we go. Let's see who it is. Let's see who it is. It's the mean kids. The two kids. Yo, they're back.
Oh, no way.
It's the mean kids. Yo, they're back. Yo, they've been spying on me for like 13 minutes now. They're getting inside the thing or something. Yeah, they're still there. Nah, they're still there. They're around the park. She's around the park. It's the two mean kids. Yo, they're back. Yo, guys, they're back. I don't know if you guys watched the two videos, but they're back and they're stealing stuff now. It's not cool. I filmed this like last month when this incident happened. Well, she's still here. Nah, that's her for sure. She's on the property. We gotta find her, man. We gotta find her. We gotta find these people. Nah, we gotta find them. Nah. But they've been spying on me for like 13 minutes now. Gonna find out who they are. But yeah, we should find out who it is. So now we gotta find out who this kid is. Maybe on Sunday in the next video, we'll find out who the person is, and maybe we can get the description, and we can report it to Dad of what they look like. Of what they look like. We can find out who they look like. And so, guys, we have to get the description because these mean kids are back. They're around the property, but if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe. But we gotta do something fast.